I know the game, you know, with Muslims.
So tell me, what will happen to Sweden with all the Muslims?
With in the future, you know, it's going to be a big problem, you know, because now they are majority. But later on, you know, they will growing and growing and growing, you know, there will be lots of children, lots of people, you know, they will ask for their rights. It will be a serious problem for the country they're going to, you know.
Why?
Because it's on their Quran, the Quran, you know, on their mentalities, you know. The Muslims, you know, want to be always bigger number than the Christians, you know. They want to get all the countries, you know, in Europe. They enter to Europe, thousands of Muslims. They want to change the number, you know, of the Christianity, you know, in Europe.
So this is like a big master plan that the Muslims have when they are going to Europe?
When they're going to Europe, you know, they will ask for their rights. You cannot say no. They're going to build a mosque. They want to have their own traditions, you know. They're going to the school with the covers or things like that. They make their own shops for business, for work, you know. So
why is that a problem?
It's not going to be a problem as long as they're following, you know, the laws of the country. But on their mentalities, there are lots of people, you know, of these Muslims, you know, do not like the Christians. I don't know. They make them brainwash, you know. It's going to be very high crime, you know, in the future with them. They don't, something, I don't know what they be teaching them. They're making them brainwash, you know.
You told me that the Muslims are going to outnumber the Christians. How is that going to happen, you think?
By that, you see political refugees, you know, have a problem this, have a problem that. They enter to Europe, you know, and the Europeans, you know, following, you know, the human rights, they treat them okay. They give them a food, they give them a house, they give them a job. But as soon as they sit there, you know, they create, you know, make more children, more, they be citizens of the countries, you know. They mixed up to each other, you know. They are making unions, you know. Yeah.
Okay.
So this is going to be a problem in the future. It's going to be a serious problem. Look what happened in Cyprus. In Cyprus, we used to have 80,000 Turkish Cypriots. 85,000 Turkish Cypriot, you know. They was asking rights, they was asking, you know, some part of the land belonged to them, until mainland Turkey invade in Cyprus, occupy half of our country. Is supposed to be to protect the 85,000, you know. And now the last 40 years we have problems, you know, and dealing negotiations, you know, because Turkey is a Turkey, it's a big country. We cannot deal with them, you know. We cannot fight them, you know. So who's going to help us? No one. But this game, you know, from all over the world, the Muslims want to eat into Europe, you know. This is one thing, you know, which is the Europeans, they have to think twice about the Muslims.
You think that they will take over Europe?
I'm caught into this game I'm watching, you know. They are trying, you know, more and more and more, you know, every year to enter to Europe countries, lots of Muslims, you know. So one day it's going to be a big problem for the European. Maybe the next 10 years, maybe the next 50 years, maybe the next 100 years. It's going to be a problem. That's it. So we have to protect our people, the next generation who are going to come, our people, we have to protect them. We have to give them the country and their rights, you know, they need. If we're going to bring all these people inside, we bring Somalians, Africans, you know, and all those people, you know.
Yeah.
They're going to create problems. Most of them, they are uneducated, you know. and educated, you know,
Yeah.
following the Muslim, following, you know, the, I don't know, their rules and their laws and all this.
What is your name?
My name is George,
George. And you're from Cyprus.
and I am from
You're
Cyprus.
born and raised here?
I born here. I've been a soldier in 1974. During the war with Turkish, I fight, you
Yeah.
know. So I don't trust the Muslims. Tell me whatever you like, but I can never trust a Muslim.
Are you Christian?
I am a Christian. Of course, I'm a Christian Orthodox.
Okay. Thank you.
You are welcome.